The Redmi K90 Pro Max stands out in the premium smartphone segment, seamlessly blending cutting-edge design with uncompromising performance. Redmi has crafted a device that is not only sleek but also exceptionally durable. The K90 Pro Max features a sturdy glass front made of dragon crystal glass, framed with high-grade aluminum for a refined feel. With an IP68 rating, this phone is fully dust-tight and water-resistant, safe for immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Its form factor is thoughtful, measuring 163.3 by 77.8 by just 7.9 millimeters, and weighing a balanced 218 grams for comfortable, secure handling.
Display.
The centerpiece of the K90 Pro Max is its stunning 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display. This panel dazzles with support for 68 billion colors, Dolby Vision, HDR Vivid, and HDR10+ technologies, ensuring vibrant visuals in any environment. With a rapid 120Hz refresh rate and an ultra-responsive 2560Hz PWM, every swipe and scroll feels fluid. The screen's peak brightness reaches 3500 nits, delivering crystal-clear visibility under intense sunlight. Redmi's proprietary Dragon crystal glass provides robust protection against scratches and daily impacts, keeping the display pristine while the nearly 92% screen-to-body ratio immerses you in your content.
Performance.
Under the hood, the Redmi K90 Pro Max runs Android 16 with HyperOS 3, future-proofed for longevity. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, designed on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer process. The octa-core CPU combines high-frequency Orion V3 Phoenix cores with a powerful Adreno 840 GPU, delivering blazing performance for demanding apps, multitasking, and gaming. Memory options are extensive. Choose up to 16 GB RAM with storage ranging from 256 GB up to a massive 1 TB, thanks to UFS 4.1 technology. The device does away with expandable storage but makes up for it with lightning-fast read and write speeds, ensuring apps and games launch instantly.
Camera system.
Photography takes center stage with the K90 Pro Max's triple rear camera setup, each sensor featuring a 50MP resolution. The primary wide lens boasts an f/1.7 aperture and advanced dual-pixel PDF with optical image stabilization for sharp, lifelike images. The periscope telephoto lens offers up to 5x optical zoom, letting you capture distant subjects without loss of quality, while the 50MP ultra-wide lens expands your creative perspective with a 102-degree field of view. Advanced features like a color spectrum sensor, HDR, panorama, and Euro EIS for steady video recording make this setup a photographer's delight. Video options span cinematic 8K at 30 frames per second, smooth 4K at 60 frames per second, and super slow motion capabilities up to 1920 frames per second at 720p. On the front, the 32MP camera ensures vibrant selfies and supports 4K video at 30 frames per second, perfect for creators on the go. Sound and connectivity excellence. Sound quality is phenomenal, with stereo speakers tuned by Bose and a unique 2.1 stereo system featuring a dedicated woofer. These deliver immersive Dolby Atmos surround sound and high-res wireless audio for an unmatched listening experience. Although it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, the K90 Pro Max supports 24-bit, 192 kHz high-res audio via USB Type-C. Connectivity is top-tier, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with LHDC 5.0, multi-satellite positioning, NFC, and an infrared port for controlling home appliances. The under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor offers fast, secure authentication, backed by a full suite of sensors for every lifestyle need. Battery and charging. Redmi equips the K90 Pro Max with a massive 7,560 mAh C/C Li-ion battery, built to keep you powered through the day and beyond. Charging is ultra-fast. Thanks to 100W wired charging, the device can go from 0 to full in under 30 minutes. Wireless charging at 50W is available for cable-free convenience, along with 22.5W reverse wireless charging to top up your accessories. The full suite of fast charging protocols, including PD 3.0, QC3+, and PPS, ensures the widest compatibility for rapid replenishment.
Conclusion.
The Redmi K90 Pro Max is designed for users who demand both style and substance. It brings together advanced protection, immersive display technology, professional-grade cameras, top-line performance, and relentless battery endurance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, mobile gamer, photographer, or content creator, the K90 Pro Max delivers a flagship experience without compromises, redefining what a modern smartphone can offer.